Water extraction begins hundreds of feet below the desert surface.
The desert temperature reaches extreme levels, creating one of the harshest farming environments on Earth.
Careful with the generator, set it down slowly. All right, where do you want the scaffolding? Over by the yellow markers. All right, that should hold.
How far out do you need me?
Stop right there, let's get a reading before the light shifts. Connect to the main valve, hurry up! Whoa! We need water over here now.
All units, maintain speed and formation. We are approaching the sector lines.
Slow now, steady. Keep it coming down. Watch the edge. Easy now, you're clear. We need to cross this ridge before the heat peaks. Stick to the marked trail on the map, and the eastern route is unstable.
Hold it steady. The wind is picking up.
I'm trying. Get that pole anchored now.
The reading is stable. We're clear for placement at this boundary.
All right, I've got this one set. Moving to the next waypoint.
Before drilling, temperature mapping reveals underground conditions in the desert.
The geothermal readings are spiking right here.
Yeah, that aligns with the subsurface data. We should drill there.
Water extraction begins hundreds of feet below the desert surface.
Keep it coming up slowly. Look there.
We struck water! We struck water!
Yes, we finally did it. We did it. We found water. Woo! Lower another 20 feet, slowly.
Clear on this side.
All right, hold it.
All right, keep it coming down, hold it right there, and set it down gentle. We are good to go.
All right, lower it. And hold it right there. Bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment on the far side. Easy now, easy. Pressure's holding steady, we have a green light.
All right, confirmed. Let's move to the next section.
Look at that flow, it's perfect.
Yeah!
We did it, the pipeline is clear.
This is a huge milestone for the project.
How much further is the next section?
Foreman said it's just past that ridge. Keep pushing straight ahead, we're almost level here.
All right, plant the rod right there. That's our elevation benchmark.
Roger that. Securing the position now.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the connection point. Keep the line straight, set it right there. Got it, hammer in now.
We need to make sure this is exactly 12 inches for the ginger spacing.
Got it. I'll mark this spot and we keep moving forward. The next row starts here. Keep it straight over there. Pulling it now. Yeah. We need to ensure the pressure holds right here before we expand the lines. The flow rate looks good according to the specs. System's live. Holding steady.
Ginger rhizomes are prepared in a DEZRT nursery before field plantation.
See how plump this bud is? That's what we want for the next cycle.
Right, and this dry piece should be discarded then.
Secure that load tightly. We have a long drive ahead. Make sure the ropes are fastened. Here's the next stack. All right, set them right here by the edge. Keep the water close, it's brutal out here.
Oh.
Almost done with this row. Make sure these are fully covered, but not too deep. We want the water to reach the roots efficiently. Check the moisture levels over there.
Keep it even on this side.
All right, moving up.
finally done for the day.
Yeah, the rows look great though. Let's call it a night. I'm beat.
We did good today. The field looks great.
Yeah, I'm happy with that. Long day though.
Leaf disease detected in the desert ginger field requires immediate treatment.
Double check the connection on the left tank.
It's secure now.
Excellent. Let's get this calibrated for the first pass.
Drone 4, adjust trajectory. You are drifting right.
Confirmed, correcting now. All units, next pass commencing. The tank is almost full. All right, disconnect and prep for launch. Move it. Bring it down, steady, easy now. Hold it, hold it. Land now. Power down.
The treatment was a complete success.
The data confirms it, Doctor.
We did good work out here.
The ginger crop has fully recovered and is ready for harvest in the desert field.
The chlorophyll levels are outstanding. The recovery is complete.
Absolutely stunning. I've never seen such vibrant growth.
Look at how healthy these are now. Absolutely incredible progress.
Attention all teams, the crop is ready for harvest. Begin mobilization.
Copy that, boss. Moving out.
All right, everyone, let's get this unloaded quickly. Bring the rakes over here by the water. Watch your step getting down. First, gently clear the sand around the base with the trowel, making sure not to cut the rhizomes. Once it's loose, you can lift the entire plant. All right, everyone, let's move out.
Start digging carefully from the edge.
Heave it over here! Quickly now! Watch your step! More baskets needed at truck 3!
We need to speed up the sorting process.
Make sure the crates are secure against the wind.
Let's get this area cleared now.
This pile here, the quality is not good enough.
You are right. We will separate these ones for drying instead.
All right, that's crate number 12.
Got it. This stack is ready.
Bring the next one over here.
Okay, easy now.
Copy that, setting it down.
Looks good, pull back.
The harvest now transitions from desert field to factory for processing.
Keep them coming. We've got space on line 3. All right, next pallet's ready to go.
Make sure the large pieces go into the green crates.
Okay, I am separating them now.